Hello. Today we have a easy to use tip on how to do OCR right from your phone. OCR stands for optical character recognition, and all you have to do is simply take a photo with your phone, drop it into Google Keep, and then Google Keep will do the OCR on it, and then you can use the text to put it anywhere you wish. So here is an example of how it actually works. So we start out in Google Keep, and we pull up a note. They have a note called OCR, which you can see right there at the top left. So we click on it and it opens up, and at this point what we do is we click on the little plus on the bottom left and we pick an option called take a photo. And then, as you can see, I just point the camera at anything, any kind of page, and snap a photo. As soon as I do that, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, this is as far from perfect as you can get, but it's sideways and everything else. It doesn't matter, it'll still figure it out. And so once we do that, then basically we have the photo in the Google Keep note. At this point, we click on the actual image itself and we see the option from the top right hamburger menu that says grab image text. The problem is you need to give it a little bit of time, usually just like a minute or so. In this case, see, it says can't recognize text when I clicked on it because it hasn't processed the text yet. So it can recognize it, we haven't given it enough time. So we'll wait for a little bit more, and then again, the process basically repeats. You just simply click on the image, and from the hamburger menu at the top right, you select grab image text when that option is available. Like right now it's not available, but should be available shortly. And we try it again, and there it is. We click on grab image text, and at this point it says image text grabbed, and there's all the text right there. As you can see, it's very legible. The entire page is there. Formatting may be a little bit off, but you can obviously fix it wherever you're going to put it. And now you can grab the text as text, and you can copy it to a Google Doc. You can copy it into any other note-taking program. You can copy it to Notebook LM. You can share it via email. I mean, there's all kinds of options which you can do once you have the text. But that's basically the process. You take a photo with your phone of any page into Google Keep, and then you simply wait for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds or something, depending on how big the page is. And then you simply ask it to grab the image text by clicking on the image itself first. And once you have the text, you can do with it whatever you'd like. Until next time, I'm Oleg.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.